What's crossing it is the Ten of Wands. You're feeling a bit of a burden over it. Maybe someone offering you something. Maybe you feel like you can't take it. Maybe you're unsure whether you should take it. Maybe you're thinking it's going to be too heavy for you, whatever they're offering. But I did see the Sun card, so keep that in mind. We got hope. Man, this is good so far. I hope it stays this way. The Star card was crown jewel, the goal. You have hope, and you're going to go for your hopes and dreams, and that's what you should do. Foundation is a Page of Swords. Could be messages. It could be you. Page of Swords also could be a Gemini or Aquarius. But I'm thinking it's somebody, it could be you going forward with messages or receiving messages or going, dealing with a younger type air sign also for some of you. But it's in the upright and it's a good card. In the past, you felt like someone did you an injustice. You felt like someone messed you over. Let me try to get all this in. Hold on just a second. There we go. In the past, we got an injustice here. You feel like someone messed you over. You feel maybe you didn't get what was due to you. But it looks like that's just the past energy. Remember, I'm going to clarify all these. And once I start clarifying a lot of this, it could change the story up. So stick with me. Plus, I'm giving you a love reading at the end. Very near future, you may feel like things are out of control. You may feel like you're going up against people, authority figures that aren't for you. You may have to go to court. But I do see hope and coming in that Sun card. So you may be dealing with some of you with a court action, with some of you with like a lawsuit of some sort, with some of you, someone threatening this to you. But it looks like you got a lot of good things on your side. You got good things coming in, but you don't feel it just yet. You feel, if anything, a burden right now. But that's going to change, hopefully. Possible future outcome and advice from the universe is don't collaborate with people that don't deserve it, that will not work with you. The Three of Pentacles. So don't give in. What is coming towards you? A Page of Cups, a positive message. Again, a friendship, kindness, gifts, things that you love. It also could be you'd be dealing with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Not another water sign, but you had it over here, and now you have it there. But it could be, like I said, messages coming in. And it's in the outside, and it's coming towards you. It's going to help you in some way. It's going to give you some relief. Your hopes and fears is a Tower in reverse. You're trying to avoid a Tower situation. You're trying to avoid from your life crumbling down. In the end, the Devil, you're obsessed with something, you go with something, you don't let something go. The Devil is not always a bad card. People always say, oh, it's a terrible card, because it can relate to addictions, especially in reverse. But this is someone really going for what they're wanting, and you should. You had the Sun card in the beginning, and the Devil, your mindset is going to be set on one thing and getting something done. But let's see what the clarifiers say. Excuse me again. I don't want to clear my throat on the camera. It sounds terrible. But I'm going back to the beginning. We're going to find out what's going on. So we go to the Knight of Cups, and the Ten of Wands is crossing it. Someone's offering you something, but it's a burden. It's like you're having trouble with this offer for some reason. And it could be for many different things. So Knight of Cups, Ten of Wands. I need 2 cards, please, for clarification or to tell me more information. Two cards, please. Has something to do with your home, 4 of Wands, and you having to take a break. Maybe some of you were ill at one time and couldn't work on something. With the 4 of Swords, you got the 4 of Wands in reverse, 4 of Swords in the upright, clarifying it. So it had to do with your home. Something was unhappy in the home. Maybe some of you, like with the 4 of Swords, couldn't work. Maybe you got laid off from work for some of you. Some of you may not be able to get jobs. Some of you may have been ill. Some of you may have just taken a break for a while. Now someone's offering you something. Now, what crowns you or the goal is the Star card, is in the upright. And the Star card in the upright is a good card, and I need 2 cards to clarify the Star card, please. 2 cards. Hierophant, contracts, messages of money. You're hoping for new contracts, going to people that'll give you a good recommendation, someone that is going to help you out, someone, like I said, is going to help you out with your money situation. Foundation is the Page of Swords. The Page of Swords is in the upright. I need 2 cards for the Page of Swords, please. 2 cards. Ooh. You have to, someone's going to say something to you. They're going to bring a message. And even though it seems a little chaotic, a little off, and it may take a minute, you may not receive it right away. So Foundation, you are getting that 10 of Cups, that happily ever after. So something's going to work out for you. Don't get too in your head about it, okay? Don't get too in your head that something's not going to work. Let go of that burden, that 10 of Wands, because I do see that you got an injustice, but I think it's going to work out, you know? I got to go, you know, I don't want to rock the boat here, but we got to go back to the past here with the Justice in reverse. Someone messed you over. You didn't get justice. Maybe an injustice was done to you, or maybe for a few of you, you did someone an injustice, but I need 2 cards, please, for Libra. 2 cards for Libra for the Justice in reverse. Death in reverse. Yeah, something resurrected. Something you thought was dead and gone came back, and they sent you a message that wasn't of loving kindness in the past. You do have some new messages coming in, though, with the Page of Cups. But in the past, the messages that you got, that you heard about, that something you thought was dead and gone away from your life, resurrected and said something pretty harsh about you. Maybe someone brought up things about your past, about you, that, you know, it was none of anybody's business in a way. In the near future, you're dealing with the Emperor in reverse. You're dealing with someone that's a little chaotic, someone that's a little over-controlling. So, the Emperor in reverse, I need 2 cards, please, for Libra in the very near future for the Emperor. 2 cards, please. The Emperor in reverse again. You are definitely dealing with someone that's, gosh. Oh, Libra. You feel like you're not going to get a victory in the near future. You are, though. You're going to get something good. You're going to avoid a tower. You're trying to. Someone is helping you. And don't give up hope. But whoever you're dealing with is a real pain in the ass. They can be. And that's just the way it is. The Emperor in reverse twice, back to back. Come on. And you're going to feel like you can't win a victory with this person, or they feel like they're not going to win a victory over you. And for some of you, you could be dealing with an Aries. But if the Emperor is reverse, and it can really cause some damage or cause you some serious mindset problems. So realize that you're dealing with this person, and that just don't work with it. Don't collaborate with them. Don't give in to them with the 3 of Pentacles. So the 3 of Pentacles, I need 2 cards for that. Possible future outcome, advice from the universe is don't work with this person, okay? Don't work with this Emperor person, because it's just going to make you feel unstable, not secure in life with the King of Pentacles. Some of you may be dealing with an earth sign, but not necessarily. And Page of Wands, and go forward passionately for what you're really wanting to do. Do not collaborate with things that are going to cost you money, okay? Now, you got something coming towards you, the Page of Cups and the upright. So you're going to get another message that's coming towards you. Some of you, like I said, will be dealing with a water sign. But this is offering, like, good messages, the messages that you need to know. So Page of Cups in the upright, I need 2 cards for Libra. Why are they coming towards Libra? The Hangman. Yeah, someone's going to offer you something. They're going to help you with a stagnant problem, something that you feel like you can't get out of, with the Hangman and the Ace of Cups, you know, clarifying the Hangman. So something's going to really work out for you. And the outside, you got 2 different situations. You got people against you and people for you. And the people for you are really good omen type cards. So use them. If they come and offer you something, I would work with them, but I would not work with an uncontrolled situation, the people that are trying to push you into things that you don't want to do. So you got 2 different types of groups of people there. It could be, you know, just more than one. It doesn't have to be just one. But you got the people that are for you, and you got people that are against you. And that's just the way it is for Libra right now. Now, your hopes and fears, you're trying to avoid a tower situation, something from crumbling down around you. So the Tower in reverse, while you're there for Libra, 2 cards, please. 2 cards. You get all these in the picture. It's hard to tell. Yeah, collaboration. You're fearing collaboration. The universe is not to. The universe is not to collaborate. I'll get all these in a second. I apologize for that. And you know, speak your truth. You want to speak your truth, but you're afraid something come crumbling down, and you fear collaboration. Someone's going to say to you, the one you don't want to work with is going to say, you better work with us. But the universe says, try not to. You don't want to give your money and your security to somebody. Go put your passions elsewhere. Go take your messages elsewhere, because you're trying to overcome heartbreak. I'm just seeing that in the bottom, so I thought I'd bring it out. In the end is the devil. You may become a little obsessed with the situation of what they're doing. You're maybe thinking, what should I do? What should I do? Because I do see the hangman of people coming towards you. You're trying to help you come out of stagnant situations. And maybe you're going to be all in your head because this emperor may have you a little worried. So the universe says don't even work with it. Don't give him over your money. So the devil and the upright, I need 2 cards. Why are you there for Libra? And then we'll do the love reading. Because this is all about your whole life in general. Why are you there, the devil and the upright? The moon. Yeah, you're having sleepless nights over this emperor. You really are. Remember, there's a sun. The sun is there again. It's in here. Look. The sun and the sun. Major arcanas, okay? You got the sun again. Do not, if this person tries to overtake you and try to take everything you have, realize that happiness is coming. Do not get stuck in your head about it, because this is what it shows me, that you're going to get stuck in your head. You're going to be thinking about it a lot, and things are going to change your mind, and things hidden. You're going to be a little bit, feeling down and out, and you're going to have trouble sleeping. But the universe says, let this stuff go. Let this stuff go. You got happiness coming in. So just realize this is just temporary, and don't let people mess with you, okay? Don't let them mess with your head. Don't give them your power. Don't hand over your power and let them cause you sleepless nights. Go to sleep, okay, Libra? Go to sleep and realize that happiness is coming. You saw the sun card twice. I am showing you what's happening, that you're going to be dealing with somebody, like I said, it's a little bit of a control freak that's going to be trying to override your life, but realize that better things are coming in, and this is just a stepping stone in life, and let it go, because you got better things coming in. Now I'm going to give you a love reading. Let me clean this up. I'll be right back. Bruh. Move this over so you can see it better. Gotta get used to this setup, this camera. 3 cards from the angel answers. You definitely need answers from the angels. 3 cards, please, from the angel answers. 3 cards, please, for Sun, Moon, Rising, Libra. Let's see what we got here. And my throat. And I'm going to give 3 cards from this Psychic Tarot. Let's see what we got here. First pile. Stay up. There I go, my voice again. Stay optimistic about your love life. There is a peaceful resolution coming. I've been saying that. And stand your ground. Stand your ground. Okay, stay optimistic about your love life. It's going to get better. But there is a peaceful resolution what's coming up, and stand your ground. Okay, Libra? Second one, attraction is there. You're attracted to somebody, or someone's attracted to you, but unlikely you're going to accept it right now, because you need a spiritual union with somebody. So it's not that you're going to totally get rid of people. It's just that if you're going to go for somebody with like a 2 of Cups energy, you want them to fit who you are, And even though you may have attraction towards somebody, it's unlikely with this person, unless they have a spiritual situation with you where they really connect, that you will want to work with it. But stay optimistic about your love life, like I said, because you got, a solution coming up. And this throat of mine, this one says free yourself, and I do see you with that negative situation. Like I said, this could relate to that or not at all. I do see yourself, it says free yourself. Wait before you make yourself, go into something. It says free yourself, but wait on that resolution. Go and work on it, but don't sit there and attach yourself to something else. Things are going to come to you in good time, so don't worry. Don't think that something good is not going to come. And I've been saying that with that Sun card. And rejoice. You're going to be rejoicing and celebrating. in the end. So I do see, you free yourself, wait before you, get all upset and all in your head. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't make yourself sick over something, which I see you possibly doing, because someone's going to try to push their will on you. But realize that life is going to get better. Wait. Sunshine is coming in, and then you'll probably meet somebody that you really like, someone that you have a spiritual connection with. Do not attach people that aren't good for you anymore, because I do see someone trying to push themselves on you. But free yourself from that, like I said. Wait it out, because something good is really coming in, Libra. And you saw me shuffle the cards. So that is your reading. I'm going to let this go, and I will talk to you later. I got to get some cough drops or something to clear my throat. Bye.